Alright, alright, alright. A water crossing already, dude? Oh shit, that's pretty deep, dude. That looks deep. That was deeper than it looks, bro. Yeah, dude, I saw you go in the middle. I'm like, oh fuck, that's deep. Yeah, this is pretty sandy, huh? Do you ever ride this on your mountain bike? Yeah. No, I think I'll pass on that one. Yeah, dude, this is cool. So have you ridden this trail a bunch of times? Oh, okay. Nice. Yeah, very sandy. Yeah. Yeah, I took the outside of that one. I mean, those sandy sections like that, dude, in a corner are no joke. I was gonna say we go up there. Like, oh shit, I gotta get a run on that one, bud. Yeah. Like, goddamn, Hutch, I knew you were good, but I didn't know you were that good. Woo. Yeah. No, I like following you. It's good for YouTube. Yeah, exactly, dude. It's more exciting this way. Yeah, this has quite a bit of sand, huh? Right. You think so? Yeah. Hello. You want to stop to adjust the brake? Okay. Yeah, dude, I'm having a blast. This is fucking sick. This is the kind of trails I like right here, you know? Right up my alley. Yeah, I already did that. It already tells you the batteries, I mean the files, too many files. Oh, that's a bummer. I've done that before. I forget to hit the record button. Yeah, Orosco Road, dude, my latest video. That happened to me. I didn't start recording until halfway through. And I missed all like the real gnarly sections. Cause Orosco Road, it's really just the beginning that's like really gnarly. Depending on what side you take. So if you take the Thomas Mountain side, that's the side that's gnarly. And so if you go from the fire station side, then it's at the end that it gets gnarly. Yeah, I guess. Like it's both. There are sections like where it's like this, right? Where it's like in a turn and there's a lot of fucking ruts. So boys, how we doing? And girls? Crazy, that little girl's gonna be so good at riding when she gets older. Yeah, there's like a bunch of offshoots here, huh? More challenging stuff. All right. Yeah, I'm coming. Oh, you're going down the steep one, dude. Just punch it, dude. Punch it. There you go, dude. Hell yeah. Yeah, let's go down here real quick. Alright. Just can't go too fast with it. Yeah, it's tracking. It's tracking. Guys on a Transalp up ahead of us. Wonder if it's the new one. Oh. Right. Yeah, that's gonna be a good one too, I think. Yeah, and I think they improved it a lot. Like they made it more off-road capable over the previous one. Yup. Still right behind us. Okay. Oh. Pick it up? Yeah. Okay. What's up, brother? Going back? Oh, okay. Yeah, dude, this place is sick. That's a Peter bowl right there. Peter would be all over that. The dirt panda. Or a panda in the dirt. I always call him the dirt panda. We're losing our buddy. Yeah. He's got street tires, dude. Ah, let's just go. I didn't know he's gonna be that slow, because we're pretty slow. And old boy's pretty slow. Like slower than us. Yeah, no, like I said, he's got street tires, so it's like that, and being you, it's like our first time off-road, you know? Street tires and your first time off-road, not a good combination, dude. No, zero confidence, exactly. Well, and it's hard because you're thinking to yourself, like, when you have the wrong tires, you're like, what the fuck am I doing? You know? Yeah. Yeah, the tires definitely are like, for those of you watching this video, tires, dude, if the first thing you buy on your adventure bike, anything, is gonna be tires. Go take those factory street 50/50 tires off and get some real knobbies on. It just makes the bike feel way more planted, dude. And it's like you can get away with making certain mistakes when your tires are better. Yeah, versus when you ride 50/50 tires, it's like there's very little room. You have to be perfect. Very little room for error. Yeah, I've been trying to practice that too, but it's such an awkward thing to do, like, because you got to move your footing, you know? You got to move your footing, and it's just like, it's a lot for my brain to process in one go. But I guess it really helps in order to change direction when you use the rear brake. Yeah. Yeah, and just riding, it helps you ride faster too. Because like I said, it's like you're coming into a turn, I guess you have to bump the rear brake and it slows down the bike, and then you change your direction. Tricky little area back there, huh? Where? Oh, I see what you're saying. Yeah, let's try it. Lead the way. This is where the, yeah, this is where the elephant turn would come into play. Okay. Oh yeah. Oh, the slippery sand, dude. Yep.